Well, I've just put Jessie back home, and what I've done is I've put a log which I've cleaned completely, and I wanted to put that there because Jessie has a tendency to lay on here when he feeds. It's kind of his favourite spot, guys, and it's a real worry because he doesn't grip very well, and I've many a time had to kind of hold him and lower him down to eat because he will just fall and topple. So I've attempted to kind of put this in. I'm not completely comfortable with the way it is at this particular point, but we will see. I'm still fiddling, but as you can see, Jessie is very interested in this log, or what? Yeah, it's a log. And what is it? And what is this doing in here? And came down immediately to check it out. So yes, extremely curious to what you do in their homes and the things that you put in there, and I'm more than happy to explore. Now I also have Jack's rings that I've not put back into his home, and just haven't bothered. I know Jack used them, but I can also look at giving him some extra support by putting those rings there, so that when he's eating, again, he's got more support. That has been my main concern about what can I do for Jessie to help him with that. And I think that might work perfectly fine for him to use, actually. So I'm just going to tie them off, make sure that they're secure for him and will hold his weight. And I'm sure come feeding day he's going to appreciate the fact that I've done that for him. So yeah, very, very curious as to what is going on. He's kind of just, well, he's going into that hide down there. You can't see him because now the log blocks it, but and it also gives Jessie more to grip on when I'm trying to get him out of his enclosure. So I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but we'll figure it out. So I'll get them tied up, and yeah, I'm sure I'll come up and explore them too. Hey Jess, what do you think, bud? Hey? Yeah, he might be saying thank you at this particular point. But you know, as you can see, he uses the rings to hang on to and support himself, so he's not a silly boy at all. And there you go. He's giving it a good check over. Well guys, I'm just going to give Jessie a feed. So I thought, well, I'll pick up the camera. It's only been probably, sorry, I'm just moving you with me here. It's only been probably about 10 days, but you know, my guys are hungry at the moment, so you know, I'm pretty happy to give them a little bit extra at this time of the year. Now Jessie will slow down to the 14 days as the weather cools down, so anyway, I'm sure he's going to appreciate this little extra bit of feeding this week. I'll just leave him be and let him eat and get on with his meal. Jess has no problems in getting those rats down at all. Well, just as I was sort of thinking it's starting to spit a little bit, and Jessie was kind of all over the place, and you see that tail swing and you go, I know what he's ready to do now. And sure enough, away he goes. So now I know that he's going to be all good to go back in his enclosure, and I'm not going to get a mess, which is what I love. And you know, I did the video and said the worst part about is the mess. It isn't really the worst part. You know, I don't mind cleaning up, but if I can avoid it by having snakes that are happy to come out and go to the toilet, of course I'm going to avoid it. And who wouldn't? Really, who wouldn't? So, but there you go. He decided to go.